Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can find out if your Redmi smartphone is real or fake. The first point I would recommend to you to check are the IMEI numbers, because an IMEI number is an individual number for each smartphone. Okay, let's check here on the dialer and dial now *#06#. Now you will see here the IMEI numbers of your phone. Usually Redmi smartphones are dual smartphones, so that's the reason why you have two IMEI numbers. And these IMEI numbers now you should compare with the box which comes along with the phone. And here they are written as well, and if these numbers are the same, it is a good sign. And there's a second way to check if your phone is real or not. For that we will need the settings for. Basically you will find it on the second page here. This is the settings app. If you cannot find the settings app, you can scroll down also right next to the camera, because here you will have the control center, and the path of the control center is always here the symbol for the settings. So tap it. Then we will need now at the settings the about phone area, and here we will find all specs. And one of these specs is the model number. You can check now this model number at the internet, and if the internet says this is your phone, then everything seems to be okay. You can double check it as well. Also on the box, the model number should be always written here on the box, and if it's the same, your phone should be real. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and I hope that your phone is real and that you can calm down a bit and so on. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.